opposition has also launched a sharp attack on the centre after the latest fuel price hike, accusing the government of burdening common citizens amid rising concerns over inflation. And the Congress is now alleging that consumers have been fleeced through repeated petrol and diesel price hikes. And the Congress is also warning that this is a move that could trigger a fresh wave of inflation across sectors. Trinamool Congress has also joined in, and the Trinamool Congress is accusing the BJP-led government of looting people at a time when households are already struggling with rising costs.
और आम लोगों से पूछना चाहता हूं, बंगाल के लोगों से पूछना चाहता हूं, बीजेपी को जिताया उसके बाद मिला क्या? 3 रुपए डीजल और पेट्रोल के दाम बढ़ा दिए गए। उस समय तो बड़े जोर जोर से अमित शाह और नरेंद्र मोदी बोलते थे कि बड़े हमारे पास स्टॉक पड़ा हुआ है, कोई कमी नहीं है, कोई दाम बढ़ेंगे नहीं। इससे पता लगता है कि इनकी दोहरी राजनीति है। लोगों को लूट रहे हैं, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं। जब रियायत देनी चाहिए थी, जब दाम कम थे क्रूड के, तो 16 बार एक्साइज बढ़ाया, तब दाम कम नहीं किए। तो आज अगर खाड़ी के देशों में युद्ध हो रही है और आपने चुनावों के में कहा था कि हम दाम नहीं बढ़ेंगे, तो दाम क्यों बढ़ाए गए? लोगों के पेट पर लात क्यों मारा जा रहा है? भुगतिए। ये सरकार है, जैसी सरकार रखेंगे वैसा पाएंगे।
So fuel prices have gone up by 3 rupees per litre, and the opposition is unsparing in its attack. In fact, even before this hike had happened, they had predicted that, brace yourselves, the government is now planning to tax the common man. Amita, take us through the latest slew of reactions coming in from the opposition camp.
Absolutely, Sagarika, because the opposition has already, jumped to a conclusion saying that we told you so. And this is the reactions coming in one by one. Let's talk about Congress's Jairam Ramesh. He says that for years when international oil prices were soft or declining, the International Congress had been urging that those benefits should be passed on to the Indian consumers and that domestic prices of gas, petrol and diesel should be reduced. That, however, did not happen and the consumers were fleeced. And now that the international oil prices are climbing up because of the war in West Asia unleashed by the Prime Minister's good friends, the US and Israel, the assembly elections are over and the Modi government has increased petrol and diesel prices, having hiked commercial LPG prices earlier. And this is bound to lead to further inflation, which is now projected to be close to 6% for this financial year. So this is something which has now been attributed to the recently concluded elections as well. Priyanka Chaturvedi says that rupee, diesel, petrol, which will now cross the century. And again, reaction coming in from Akhilesh Yadav. He's posted a picture saying कि आगे बढ़ना है तो cycle ही विकल्प है. Well, as far as any option now that is concerned, if you need to use any vehicle, then use the cycle. Derek O'Brien from the TMC saying that first they loot your vote and then they kick you where it hurts. Pathetically predictable. Diesel and petrol prices hike. Will Bengal government now reduce VAT on petrol and diesel? Now there is a Delhi-controlled government which doesn't have to worry about funds being blocked by the centre. So also now asking whether it comes to any states, Sagarika, that would be taking up, especially when it comes to reduction in VAT of petrol and diesel prices.
So OMCs have been bearing the brunt over the last few months, and that is why they have raised the petrol and diesel prices by about 3 rupees per litre, passing on part of the recent surge in the global energy prices to consumers. Thank you so much, Amita, for getting us the latest reactions.